Hey everyone, before you spend a penny on either of these, watch this comparison because the real value only becomes clear right at the end.
If accounting software prices were supermarket deals, KashFlow would be the one that makes you double check the receipt because you're convinced something must be missing. Let's get straight into pricing because this is where KashFlow immediately separates itself from most UK accounting tools. KashFlow currently offers a heavily discounted entry point. The starter plan is priced at £1.25 per month for the first 6 months before reverting to the standard rate. This plan is aimed squarely at sole traders, contractors, and very small businesses who need reliable bookkeeping without unnecessary layers. At this level, you can send unlimited quotes and up to 10 invoices, reconcile up to 25 bank transactions, connect bank feeds, manage expenses, submit VAT online, track mileage, access more than 50 reports, and use the mobile app. It's a single user plan with limits, but for micro businesses or early stage traders, the value is hard to ignore. For businesses that are already growing or operating as limited companies, KashFlow's business plan steps things up. This plan starts at £2.55 per month for the first 6 months under the same introductory discount before increasing to the regular price. Here, transaction limits disappear, multi-user access is enabled, and multi-currency support is added. You also get recurring invoices, customer statements, receipt capture, customer credit limits, and deeper expense and purchase management. Payroll, additional reporting, and advanced features are available as paid add-ons, which keeps the base price low but allows flexibility as your business scales. ClearBooks approaches pricing from a completely different angle, starting with one of the strongest free offerings in the UK accounting market. The sole trader free plan costs £0 and includes MTD income tax, quarterly updates, year-end tax return filing, income and expense tracking, bank feeds with automated matching, invoice creation, CIS, subcontractor support, accountant access, and unlimited transactions. For many self-employed users, this free tier alone is enough to remain fully compliant without paying a monthly subscription. For those who want more automation and time-saving features, ClearBooks offers a sole trader plan at £5 per month plus VAT. This tier builds on the free plan by adding receipt scanning from photos and PDFs, unlimited bank feeds with smarter matching automation, customized invoices, quotes, business reports including balance sheets, unlimited users, phone support, and accountant tools such as journals, lock dates, and audit logs. VAT registered sole traders can move to the £15 per month plus VAT plan, which adds MTD VAT submissions, flat rate VAT scheme support, and domestic reverse charge handling. From a features standpoint, KashFlow focuses on speed and practicality. It's designed for business owners who want to invoice quickly, reconcile banks without friction, track expenses on the go, and see financial reports without digging through menus. The dashboard is customizable. Reports are surprisingly detailed for the price point, and the overall experience stays business first rather than accounting heavy. The strengths of KashFlow are its aggressive pricing, simple onboarding, and strong day-to-day accounting tools. It's especially appealing for small UK businesses that want value without unnecessary complexity. The trade-offs are that payroll, deeper automation, and advanced workflows require add-ons, and businesses with complex structures may eventually need a more robust system. ClearBooks takes a very different approach compared to KashFlow, focusing less on flashy dashboards and more on practical UK compliance and simplicity. It's designed for sole traders, landlords, and small limited companies that want their accounting handled quietly and correctly without feeling like a second job. From the moment you log in, ClearBooks feels intentionally straightforward, with features built around real HMRC requirements rather than generic accounting workflows. ClearBooks offers several pricing paths depending on business type. For sole traders, there's a genuinely free plan that covers making tax digital income tax updates, year-end filing, income and expense tracking, automated bank feeds, invoicing, CIS support, and basic reporting, all without transaction limits. For those who want more automation, the Sole Trader plan costs £5 per month plus VAT and adds receipt scanning, unlimited bank feeds with smarter matching, customized invoices, business reports including balance sheets, unlimited users, and phone support. VAT registered sole traders can move to the £15 per month plan plus VAT, which includes MT VAT submissions, flat rate VAT support, and domestic reverse charge handling. ClearBooks also supports landlords with a free landlord plan covering UK property income, quarterly MTD updates, expense tracking, bank feeds, and accountant access. For limited companies and larger organisations, pricing scales from £7.50 per month for small businesses to £15.50 for medium and £20.50 for larger setups, with higher tiers adding VAT submissions, purchase orders, CIS reporting, budgeting, project accounting, multi-currency, fixed assets, and employee expense claims. Feature-wise, ClearBooks focuses on clarity and reliability. You get invoicing and quotes, automated bank feeds, receipt scanning on paid plans, recurring invoices and bills, customer statements, payment reminders, journal entries, audit logs, and strong accountant collaboration tools. Reporting is practical and readable, covering profit and loss, balance sheets, VAT summaries, and cash position without overwhelming users with unnecessary complexity. The pros of ClearBooks are its ease of use, transparent pricing, strong HMRC compliance, and genuinely helpful customer support. It's especially well suited for business owners who want to stay compliant with minimal friction and avoid the steep learning curves found in larger platforms. The cons are mainly around scalability and advanced customization. Businesses with complex workflows, heavy automation needs, or international operations may eventually outgrow it, and the interface prioritizes function over modern design. Looking at real user feedback makes the contrast between these tools clear. On Trustpilot, KashFlow currently holds a rating of 1.1 out of 5 stars, based on over 100 reviews. Many users report frustrations around customer support, reliability, and issues during updates or transitions. While some long-time users still appreciate its simplicity, overall sentiment reflects ongoing dissatisfaction that potential users should carefully consider. ClearBooks performs much stronger on Trustpilot, holding a current rating of 4 out of 5 stars based on several hundred reviews. Users frequently praise its ease of setup, straightforward design, and responsive support team. Many reviewers mention that ClearBooks feels purpose-built for UK businesses, rather than adapted from international software. Ratings can change over time, so it's always worth checking the latest Trustpilot reviews before deciding. The final takeaway is reassuringly simple. Both tools serve different types of businesses, and the right choice depends on what you value most. KashFlow can still make sense for very small businesses that want an ultra-low entry price and straightforward day-to-day bookkeeping, especially if you're comfortable keeping things minimal. ClearBooks, on the other hand, shines as a dependable, UK-focused accounting platform with clear pricing, strong HMRC compliance, and a calm, structured experience that many business owners and accountants appreciate. If your priority is clarity, reliability, and staying compliant without stress, ClearBooks is a particularly strong option. Click the link below to explore both platforms, review the latest pricing, and try them yourself. And if this comparison helped you make a clearer decision, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next software breakdown.